Friends, today on our last day of e-learning, we have one more Scholastic News assignment to do. I'm going to walk you through the steps now. Once you click on the link for Scholastic News, you will select Login. Select I am a student. Type in our classroom code, which is linked on the Google slide. Again, make sure that you don't put any spaces in there or you may have difficulty logging in. Select Sign In. Yesterday, you read Butterflies Are Back. Today, we're going to read about one of my favorite things to eat, and hopefully something that you get to eat during the summertime too, ice cream. We're going to be looking at the second issue right here, this pink cover, The Scoop on Ice Cream. So go ahead and click it. We are going to be finding out some of the ways that ice cream is made. In this video that we're going to start with, once you select the magazine. The video is all about the workings of an ice cream factory. So what happens inside an ice cream factory when your ice cream is being made? That is going to be step 1. Just like yesterday, watch the video. Step 2, make sure to click on this slide for the important vocabulary words in the article. Step 3, you are going to read this article called Making Ice Cream. Again, you can click the button at the top that says Read Aloud, the yellow button, and the text will be read to you.
We went to the Ample Hills Ice Cream Factory in New York City. We learned how they make their
When you want to pause it, click pause, and when you want to play again, click play. When you want to make the text larger, select Zoom in. Now, one thing I already noticed about this article is that it's numbered. The order in which it's written. These are the steps that ice cream goes through when it is being made. Okay, so it's going to be very interesting nonfiction read for us today. After you listen to the entire text, click the arrow, and on the back, you have some ice cream riddles that you are going to solve reading these words and using these choices A, B, C, and D at the side. That is what you will send me a picture of. Let me show you that again. Send me a picture of this when you are finished. Finally, we're on step 4, which is to play the game. Wow, this sounds fun. Build your own ice cream cone. Answer the questions to build your ice cream cone. So you're going to click Start. So we have to look at the sentence and we have to decide what type of punctuation goes at the end. Here we have 2 choices. A period, which is for statements when we are just saying something, and the question mark for when we are asking a question. Are you hungry for some ice cream? Someone could answer that, right? Someone could say, yes, I'm hungry for some ice cream, or no, I'm not. So since I can answer it, it's a question. We need a question mark at the end. Okay? And then you get to pick a type of ice cream cone. So this is where you answer the questions correctly. You get to build your cone. I always like these kind of cones here. I think they're called waffle cones. So I'm going to do that. We went to the ice cream shop. Here you pick the period or the question mark. Again, periods for telling, question marks for asking. You will finish that up, and then you will be all done with your Scholastic News. Again, one more time, making sure that you do all 4 steps today. Step 1, video. Step 2, vocabulary. Step 3, read the article. Do the quiz at the end and send me a picture. And then step 4, playing the game. Make it a great day. I hope that the article makes you hungry for some yummy ice cream and that you have some there at home that you can eat when you're all finished.